India in COP26 Glasgow Summit had committed to attain net zero carbon emission by the year 2070, and India also committed to attain 50% of its energy from renewable sources like wind energy, solar energy, etc. But the main problem India facing is the scarcity of land. What these solar companies are doing is they cut down trees in order to install their solar plants. Let's see why Khejri tree is in news and more details about Khejri tree from the UPSC CSE perspective. Hello everyone, I am Teresa George. Welcome to Ekam IAS. Let's first see why Khejri tree was in news. The solar companies in Rajasthan has acquired 25,000 bigha lands on lease in Rajasthan state, and in order to install these solar plants in length, they started cutting down the Khejri trees, which are the lifeline of their villages over there. And the villagers, especially the Bishnoi community, started protesting against this cutting of trees. Since the Khejri trees are in news, as an UPSC aspirant, we must know more about these Khejri trees. Let's learn. That is Khejri trees. Khejri tree is native to the arid regions of Western Asia and the Indian subcontinent. It is the state tree of Rajasthan. Since all parts of this tree are useful, it is called Kalpataru. It is also called as the king of desert and the wonder tree. To sum up, the most important point to note here is it is seen in the arid regions of Western Asia, native to the arid regions of Western Asia and the Indian subcontinent, and it is the Rajasthan state tree. Since all parts of this tree are useful, it is called Kalpataru, also known as king of desert and the wonder tree. Let's see what are the uses of Khejri tree. In desert, we can see only very few trees. One such tree is the Khejri tree, and therefore this Khejri tree plays a vital role in the desert ecosystem. It is the source of firewood and fodder, and Khejri tree helps to increase the nutritional value of soil, and thereby it ensures good yield from the soil. Khejri trees are adapted to survive in both high temperature and low temperature and frost and drought condition. In desert ecosystem, we know that at daytime we have very high temperature and at night time we have very low temperature. That is why Khejri trees are adapted to high temperature as well as low temperature. Khejri tree is known to improve the soil fertility by helping to increase in the nitrate retention capacity of the soil. Khejri tree's fruit is used to make a very popular dish called sangri, and its bark is used medicinally for different kinds of diseases. And vultures, which is very important, very vital for the cleanliness of our ecosystem, roost and nest in this Khejri trees. To sum up the uses of Khejri trees, it plays a vital role in the desert ecosystem. It is source of food, firewood and fodder, help in sustaining the nutritional value and thereby ensuring a good yield. And the most important point or the most important information to note is that it can withstand both frost and drought as well as survive at high and low temperature. It improves soil fertility and its nitrate retention. And this one is very important. It is used to make a local dish called sangri. Bark used medicinally for different kinds of diseases, and vultures nest and roost in these branches. And the flowers are amazing bee fodders. These are some of the uses of Khejri trees. Next, let's see what are the threats that are faced by the Khejri trees. And the most important one is decrease in groundwater level. As it is in desert area, with the less availability of groundwater, it makes the survival of Khejri tree very difficult. And the next threat is the fungal attack. And third one is indiscriminate cutting, as every part of this tree is very useful as fire and fodder, and the bark is for medicinal elements, and fruit is used to make the popular dish called sangrai. All parts are useful. This makes villagers to cut this tree indiscriminately. And the frequent drought that is affecting the desert area, increases the depth of water availability, that is increases the depth of groundwater availability that is available for the trees, for these Khejri trees, and thereby its regeneration got reduced. And the next important thing is the mechanical ploughing. Mechanical ploughing injure the roots of these trees and thereby it affects the regeneration of Khejri trees. This is all about the Khejri trees, and we have a model question to solve. The question is, consider the following statement. First statement, Khejri is a leguminous arid tree. Second statement, Khejri tree is endemic to arid regions of Africa. Third statement, Khejri trees are threatened by installation of solar plants. Fourth statement, Khejri fruit is used to make dish called sangrai. Fifth statement, Khejri tree cannot survive at low temperature. Which of the statements given above are correct? A 1, 2, 4 and 5. B 3, 4 and 5. C 1, 3 and 4. D 1, 2, 3 and 5. It's easily answerable by using elimination technique and from our class material and class notes. Please try to answer this question and comment your answer in the comment box. The answer, the detailed explanation and notes of this Khejri tree will be available in our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel's link are provided in the description box. Hope this section was useful for you. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.